Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's always a thrill to see you all tuned in for another exciting exploration of fascinating facts and groundbreaking discoveries in science. Today, we're diving headfirst into a question that has been a subject of debate for centuries. A question that has intrigued scholars, scientists, explorers, and ordinary people alike. We're unraveling the mystery of Earth's true shape. Is the Earth flat or round? Prepare yourself, fasten your seatbelts, and brace yourself, as we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey, an intellectual pursuit that will challenge common misconceptions and bring forth scientific truths. We're poised to obliterate some colossal myths and misconceptions, the realms of our understanding, shedding light on the realities that sometimes go unnoticed in our everyday existence. For a considerable duration of our history, there was a widely accepted belief that our planet was flat. Imagine it as a colossal pancake floating serenely amidst the infinite vastness of the cosmos. This belief held its ground for a long time, with countless people across the globe clinging to it, either out of ignorance or the terror of the unknown. But, as it often happens with science and human understanding, eventually, the truth finds its way to the surface. With time, exploration, and accumulation of knowledge, we've arrived at the undeniable truth that the Earth is not a flat entity as once assumed. On the contrary, guess what? Science has provided us with compelling evidence that the Earth, our home, is actually a sphere. Yes, you heard that right. Our planet is a giant pancake but a massive round ball. It's an awe-inspiring realization, isn't it? To think of ourselves as inhabitants of this spherical planet spinning through space and time adds a whole new perspective to our existence. So, the question that naturally arises is, how do we know this for sure? How have we arrived at this conclusive evidence that defies the age-old belief of a flat Earth? Well, it's quite simple, yet fascinating. There are actually a plethora of ways we can validate the roundness of Earth, each method as intriguing as the other. Today, however, we're going to hone in on one incredibly. This particular method is not only insightful but also easily accessible, making the process of understanding our planet's shape even more exciting. It's a method that doesn't require the usage of high-tech equipment, fancy rockets, or state-of-the-art satellites. It's something that will make the scientific exploration of our planet's shape accessible to everyone, regardless of their scientific know-how or resources. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and get ready for a mind-blowing revelation that will forever change your perspective on our beautiful planet. It promises to be a thrilling ride, debunking age-old myths and unveiling scientific truths about our Earth. Prepare to have your mind expanded and your curiosity satiated as we delve into this astonishing realm of scientific exploration. Today we're going to focus on a really cool way that doesn't even require fancy rockets or satellites. Imagine you're standing on a beach, looking out at the ocean. The sand beneath your feet feels cool and soft, and the gentle winds carry the scent of salt and fresh sea air. You listen to the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore, and watch seagulls flying above, their wings flapping rhythmically against the clear blue sky. There's a sense of tranquility that the ocean brings, a sense of calm that washes over you. Then, your eyes are drawn to a ship, with its large white sails billowing in the breeze, as it embarks on its journey across the vast expanse of the ocean. You may wonder, as the ship sails away from you, what happens? An intriguing thought enters your mind. If the Earth were flat, you'd be able to observe the entire ship shrinking as it gets further away. This, however, isn't the case. You watch as the ship begins sail away, but rather than becoming smaller, as your logic would suggest, something different begins to occur. The ship seems to be slowly disappearing, starting from the hull first, then the body, and finally, the mast. It's as though the bottom of the ship is sinking away first. You might question the phenomenon. Why does this happen? It's because the Earth curves away from you. That ship you're watching is actually sailing over that curve. The hull disappears first, then the mast, until the entire ship is out sight, leaving only the vast blue ocean in its wake. It's fascinating, isn't it? It's as if the Earth itself is playing a game of hide and seek, hiding the ship from view. This simple observation is a powerful piece of evidence that supports the idea that the Earth is round. Sure, there are many other ways we know that Earth is round. You can think of lunar eclipses, those incredible celestial events where the Earth, Moon, and Sun form a straight line, casting our own planet's shadow onto the Moon's surface. Or, you can observe the different constellations you see in different parts of the world. Isn't it astounding that the stars you see when standing on a beach in Miami are not the same as the ones you'd see if you were in Sydney? The evidence for Earth being A is indeed overwhelming. It's undeniable. It's almost like holding a spherical orange in your hand, except this orange is our planet, an amazing sphere that we call home. So next time you find yourself standing at the beach, take a moment to watch a ship sail away. Remember this simple observation: the disappearing hull is not just an optical illusion, but an embodiment of reality. It's to the truth that you're standing on a giant, awe-inspiring sphere, a place of incredible complexity and beauty, our Earth. So, here we are standing on this beach, witnessing the beauty and the science of our world. I hope that this journey has been enlightening for you. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. What other cool science questions do you have? What other wonders of the world would you like to explore? Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos.